Good morning everyone and welcome back for today's vlog. I got up this morning and I woke up to a winter wonderland. It is snowing today. The first day of snow is always fun. The second day, third day, fourth, no. So later on, I am going to shovel the driveway so we can get in and out of the driveway. I'm gonna get my breakfast and I will see you later. If you would like to try some sort of different variety of bananas, you can try these. They are firm and slightly sweet. I got this from the Asian store. Okay, here we go. Snow! Hello! And it's happy to see you. You guys, I just finished shoveling the driveway. My hat is wet. Nose is running. Oh my god, it feels so good though. It feels so good to be shoveling the driveway. It feels like I worked out. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up. It is still snowing. Yeah, and look at the dogs. They're having a good time over there. Their owners are wonderful people. I just finished shoveling the driveway for the second time and it took me about 45 minutes, I think. And it wasn't as hard as the first time because I shoveled earlier this morning. The snow was really easy to push because there's not much on the driveway. So I'm really thankful for that. And now it is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's time to prepare dinner. We're just gonna have chili. So I meal prepped chili a few weeks ago. Just going to put it in the instant pot and I'm just going to use it as a slow cooker to slowly heat it up. I think I'm signing off for the day just because I am exhausted. So I will see you tomorrow. Dinner time. Good morning, sunshine! This morning I made some French toast for breakfast. So now it has been a few hours. It's time to do some reading. We're going to read about Daniel Boone. My husband is related to Daniel Boone. So anyway, let's just start reading. He had 11 siblings. Can you imagine having 11? Well, I have 8 siblings. So if you're wondering where is my other daughter, she's still in bed. She is wake up in one with
the bed.
She is planted on the bed. We read 5 chapters and it was an exciting book, right? What do you like about the book?
The last part.
The last part. What did the last part said? I just literally put the book down like 5 seconds ago and you forgot already.
Yeah.
Guys, look what I did. Oh no. Okay, you guys, I got a new haircut. I regretted this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Good morning everybody! So another vlog. Today is Saturday and we plan on going to Evansville to buy a treadmill. So last week I ordered a treadmill off of Amazon. While on their way, they actually broke the package. They refund our money and now we are just gonna go to Evansville and hopefully find a decent treadmill that is affordable but also reliable. Okay, so that was an expensive piece of machine, and we are gonna go and look for more. Ooh, it's windy, so we're going to Academy now. Okay, we're getting some coffee. It's time for lunch.
Meow.
It is around 23 degrees outside. It is chilly. That's why I am dressed for the weather. Let me show you my outfit for today. Okay, so this is my outfit. Oh, the mirror is dirty. Okay, much better. You want to look in the mirror? It's not the Shein, okay? She's so concerned that it was the Shein package because we ordered some stuff from Shein the beginning of January. So last week, pretty much. It actually arrived today and we are going to do an unboxing. Catch! It's a rib knit. One is... Ooh, this is pretty.
It's so cute!
Oh wow, it is cute. Oh wow, that looks really pretty. Do you know what this is?
Hair.
I have bangs. What is this? I have bangs. She's a cutie. She looks like an anime girl. Walking the view.
I know I was.
Yeah. Not too sweet, light and fluffy. It's time to close the vlogs. So everybody, say thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye. Hiccups. Hiccups. Hiccups.
Nasty teeth.
Hiccups.